Hello everyone, I am Bhanu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently in Hyderabad itself, and also I am a YouTuber. Not only a YouTuber but also I take online spoken English classes through Zoom every single day except Sundays. And if you are someone who has started your English speaking journey, and if you are someone who has started following my YouTube channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like is really giving me a lot of confidence to shoot more and more videos, guys. Yes, you can see the background. So this is my field. So I just came to my hometown. I just enjoy my time spending here every single day, because whenever I come to this farm, so I feel very soothed and I feel very confident, and also I feel very much I feel very confident, and also I feel very much happy to share whatever I feel like here. And also whenever I get emotional, so I come here and I just spend my time, I spend my time here itself, right? See, if you look at the background, so the coconut tree, so which I have planted 2 years ago, now it has completely grown up. So from this coconut tree I have learned that okay, no matter what, so how many hurdles you face in your life, you have to stand for yourself and you have to grow. You should not keep complain, and you should not gossip about others, and also you should not give excuses. That is also lame excuses on yourself, right? Yeah, so without wasting our time, let's jump into the today's video. In this video, I just want to share my experience regarding how did I tackle to get this kind of fluency, right? Everything I'm going to share in this video from the scratch. So just listen and also just try to implement in your real life. For example, guys, if you are someone who has a lot of burning desire, you are trying in different ways, but when it comes to speaking in English, you are getting stuck and you are getting fumble, you are getting nervous, so butterflies are running in your stomach, right? So this is all happening in inside of you, but you are not letting it out. Why? Because of fear. First thing, just let go of fear. So initial days of my journey, many people commented on me. Many people, they came to me, so even they asked me that why are you investing your precious time on learning this English language? So what you are gonna do by learning this English language? So why you are investing your money for buying books and everything? So many people commented, many people said different things, but I didn't take others' words personally. For example, if I had taken their words personally, I wouldn't have been here today, right? So likewise, why I am advising you guys, just take nothing personally. Whatever you feel like doing, whatever your heart says to you, just keep doing that. Just keep cherishing, just keep flourishing, just keep learning, just keep encouraging yourself, just keep bring out the confidence which is there in you, bring out the strength which is there in you. Just know your worth, know yourself, what you can do beyond your limits, right? So you have to do definitely what people are saying that you can't do. You have to show them that, you have to prove them that they are wrong and you are right, only through your actions, right? So only your actions will let them know that they are wrong and you are right, right? So I did these many activities in my life, right? For example, many people commented me, so I didn't take anybody's words personally. I started researching, I started buying books, and I started reading those books, and also I started listening to podcasts, and also I started I started coming out of my comfort zone. So in my village, so nobody speaks English, nobody gives support to education. Where I have come from, I came out. Even when I come from Hyderabad to my hometown, what I exactly every single time what I used to do, I come out and I try to speak in English. After then I try to convey it in my mother tongue, even to my mother. Sometimes even my hometown, in my house, whenever I start speaking in English, my mother also start bullying me. My mother also started, talking something against me. Why are you speaking this language? If you are speaking this language, so people are commenting on you, people are laughing at you. Not now, initial days of my English speaking journey I was talking about, right? Yeah, so but I took that kind of courage to overcome all the struggles, because those people are staying at home, those people are working in the field, so those people didn't come out of their comfort zone, and those people didn't take any kind of opportunities to speak in English in front of somewhere. Whereas I am a student, I was trying to speak in English from a very long time. Since my childhood, I developed that kind of courage, and I just came out and I just started speaking something whatever I knew before, right? Whenever I got any opportunities in my school regarding or else in my college itself, or else somewhere outside of the college, right? So I used to take that kind of opportunities, I used to grab that kind of opportunities, and I went there and I used to speak. So I got habituated speaking in English majorly. Above all, apart from all this, English is very significant. I know that. Whereas the people who started commenting on me, whereas the people who started making fun of my English, they don't know about the communication skills. They don't know the importance of communication skills, right? So definitely they will speak. They will point out why this person is mainly focusing on language, learning skills, because they don't know the importance, whereas I knew the importance of this language skills, right? So because of others' words, because of their words, if I had stopped there itself, I wouldn't have achieved this kind of fluency, right? So what I am supposed to say here is, on your journey, once if you start speaking in English in front of strangers, or else if you go to your hometown, once if you start speaking English even at your hometown, so there are many people who will come to you and who will say that, why are you showing off? So why are you speaking English even though we don't understand? Even though we can't reply, why are you speaking English in front of us? Definitely they are gonna speak against you. Even though they speak against you, you have to stand for yourself and you have to let them know that, okay, this is the communication skills I am studying. Okay, communication skills are very important. In order to crack a job, you need to explain them. Even though they speak against you, just let them go. Just let them do whatever they want to do. But it is your duty. You should not stop because of their words. You have to be brave enough, because you know the importance of English language and you know the resources, where the resources are available. It might be offline resources or else it might be online resources, right? You know very well. So you should not give excuses. You should not keep complaining that, okay, people are bullying me, people are teasing me, people are talking against me, people are offending my English. So why should you care about people? They will only come and they will only leave 2 or 3 words or 1 or 2 sentences about your English language. After leaving from that place, they will forget about that. So you should not think about that all the time, and you should not trigger yourself, and you should not stop your journey. You are here to prove yourself that you are building your career, you are improving every single day, you are proving you are progressing in your life. That is very important for you, right? So coming to our fluency language, how did I tackle, guys? See, this is the journey I have come through, right? So this is the journey where I have started from. Since my childhood, my focus is only to become a fluent speaker, and I just want to become a good speaker in English language, and I want to see myself somewhere in this English language. So that was only my dream. So, so others' words really didn't affect my English language, because I did not take their words personally. Even, sometimes when I started speaking English in front of mirror at my home, so my mother also used to tease me. My mother also used to make fun of my English, even though she doesn't know anything about English, what I am speaking, so what I am speaking in front of mirror. So even though she doesn't understand anything from my language, she used to talk against my English. Why are you wasting your time on spending learning this English language? So why? What is the use of speaking this kind of language, even though she doesn't know even that is English language? But today I'm here. So today they are feeling very proud the work what I am doing. So what I am trying to tell is, in order to tackle your fluency, in order to catch this kind of fluency, you should not stop. Once if you, for example, if you are taking step today to start speaking in English, you have to move forward. You have to go forward. That's it. Even though if you don't find any opportunities to speak in English, just go. Just get out, just step out from your bed, just get down from your bed and just go somewhere and just meet new people every single day. Definitely you will be getting lot of opportunities once if you leave your comfort zone. So then happily you can speak to them. For example, your friend is there and he is very close to you. So what exactly you people make conversation every single day, whatever the topics so the conversation will stop there itself, right? But once if you step out, and once if you meet new people in your life, and once if you start speaking to stranger people, from their side, from the other side, the person who is speaking to you, they might tell some new things, right? So whatever the things you have not known earlier, so you might be having lot of opportunity to learn something new from the other person. So that is why I am addressing in this video that in order to tackle that kind of fluency, you have to meet new people every single day, and you need to make some conversation, that too real conversation and face-to-face conversation. When you interact with the people, you will come to know how the people are receiving you, how you are addressing, what kind of words you are speaking there, what kind of sentences you are leaving there. So you will come to know everything. So this is how this is where your progress will start, right? Until you take all these kind of actions, until you take all these kind of steps in your life, until you leave your comfort zone, and until you implement all these things, nothing is going to possible, right? So see, there is a word in impossible, possible itself, right? So whatever the things you are seeming that it is impossible right now, so it is only there in you that you can make it possible in your real life, right? For example, somebody came to you and somebody told that, okay Banu, you can't speak in English. Then you have to tell your brain that why that person came to me and why that person is saying that I can't speak in English. Why can't I speak in English? I am a person like somebody, the one who is speaking English very fluently. I can also speak like them. So you need to have this kind of courage. You need to have this kind of capability. You need to build this kind of strength in you, and you need to let all the potential out every single day. And showing up is very important. So even though you have lot of stuff, even though you feel very confident, but until you come out and until you open your mouth and unless you speak in English, you might be getting fumble whenever the opportunities are there in front of you. You might be getting disappointed. You might be feeling shy to speak in English. And also, you know, so if you stop speaking today and after 1 week, if you may get opportunity to crack any interview, you may not get words into your brain whenever you want to speak in English, right? So these all the things are going to happen in your life once if you stop speaking in English every single day. So that is why I'm addressing you here that showing up is very, very, very important. So you need to show up every single day, no matter what happens in your life, right? So people are there, people are ready to judge you of every action of yours. Even though if you speak right, they will judge you. Even though if you speak wrong, they will judge you. Even though if you are doing amazing things in your life, they will judge you. They will pass some comments and they will leave some comments on your actions, whatever the actions you are taking, right? So no matter what they do, but it is your duty, it is your action, and you want to see some growth in your career, you want to settle your life, you want to see your self improvement and your self growth. So you should not stop for somebody else, right? So this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. And before I am concluding this video, this is how I really tackled in my life regarding communication skills and also this speaking English journey. So nobody supported me, nobody encouraged me, nobody even patted me when I was achieving something on this social media platform, right? So nobody is there, nobody is going to clap for you. You have to clap for yourself, you have to encourage yourself, you have to pat yourself, right? So you are the biggest strength to yourself. That's it. So I hope this video find really helpful to a lot of people out there who are trying to achieve fluency, who wants to trying to gain this kind of confidence in speaking English, right? I hope this video might be helpful to all of you. And if you are someone who hasn't started your journey, please start now and just take actions, come out of your comfort zone and show up every single day. Then your real growth starts, then your real progress starts, right? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video with one more beautiful content. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep supporting me and keep encouraging me the same way, and keep pushing yourself, keep motivating yourself. Love you all. Thank you so much.